If we have the expression 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 over 3 multiplied by 15, then what is the simplest possible answer for this expression? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. And the first step to solve this question, most people go straight to the exponent, which is 5 squared, and write this expression as 25 divided by 5 over 3 multiplied by 15. And the next step, they focus on the multiplication between 5 over 3 and 15, because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. Okay, as you can see in the image, they simply cancel out 15 with the 3 in the denominator, and this expression simplified to 25 divided by 25, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we perform all the operations in this expression exactly according to the PEMDAS rule in order from top to bottom. Okay, first we must start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operation. So, instead of this expression, we can write 25 divided by 5 over 3 multiplied by 15. And the next step, we need to move on to the division and multiplication. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best approach is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we start with the expression 25 divided by 5 over 3. Okay, whenever we see a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and write this expression as 25 multiplied by 3 over 5. Now, we can easily simplify the number 25 with the 5 in the denominator, and instead of this expression, we can write 15 multiplied by 15, which finally gives us the answer 225. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.